In precision metal machining workshops, stable suction support and an optimized equipment layout are crucial for enhancing production efficiency. The Wordfik central vacuum system is engineered to accurately accommodate a wide range of machining applications, fulfilling diverse production needs. The Wordfik intelligent control cabinet automatically regulates the vacuum level for fully unmanned operation. Its 3 active plus 1 standby redundant design ensures continuous 24-hour production. The pump room features a dedicated Wordfik gas liquid separator that efficiently removes small amounts of cutting fluid ingested during suction, protecting the pump from contaminants and ensuring reliable system operation. Centralized air supply with a separate pump room efficiently recycles cutting fluid to each machine, streamlines workshop layout, cuts noise, and delivers long-term energy savings, boosting productivity and reducing costs. From mass production to customized machining, and from metal components to precision housings, Wordfik's vacuum system delivers reliable performance and powerful suction, securely holding workpieces for precise machining and exact engraving, driving the next level of smart manufacturing. Wordfik's customized solutions help enterprises enhance their core competitiveness.